Well, hello and welcome back to Posh Cats. We're doing a bit of cooking and Sue's in the kitchen. We're in Smirf, our IH motorhome, and it has an induction hob. We're going to give that a go for the first time. Saying we're slightly nervous is not is a bit of an underestimation. But anyway, let's spin me around. I'll get out of the way and let Sue tell you what we're going to do.
Well, it's 7:15. We only got back half an hour ago, so I want to do something quick. This is the first time I've used an induction hob, and this is a set that I bought for £12 something from Amazon, which should work on the induction hob. I've tried the magnet and it does stick. I've got some things left from salad yesterday, some tomatoes which I've chopped with frozen mixed veg in there, and I've chopped up all the peppers that were left from my salad yesterday and some frozen garlic, so I do cheat a bit. This is just a quick meal because we're hungry. I've got water here that I'm going to boil because I have to put gluten-free pasta in, so you have to put it in boiling water, otherwise it goes all soggy. And we've got corn mince, and I've just cheated, I've got bolognese sauce mix. So that's what we're having for tea today. So I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in. I haven't looked at what the contents are of the bolognese sauce. I don't know whether that would be suitable for vegetarians. But anyway, I'm going to put this hob on because I've never used one of these before.
Now then, let's have a little look at this hob because this is intriguing.
So this is the induction hob.
Let's pull this blind up a second because you've got a reflection there.
I'll put the gas one on.
Okay, so you've got two gas and one induction.
That's the front one.
Yeah.
So I'll put that on.
So we've
ready
got
for the pasta.
Water in there.
And this one, I'm assuming you turn it to however you want it. So put it on the highest.
Put it on high.
Let's see if it works. Ooh!
Oh, I hear a buzzing noise.
I hear it buzzing.
Oh, look, there's a little A. What does A mean?
I'm actually going to have to put the blind down, Chuck, because I want to freeze with the open window.
That was just a reflection, that was all.
So we're going to put those in first.
Okay.
Oh, gosh, that's soon
Start to sizzle.
sizzling.
Oh, blimey.
I might have to turn it down a bit, actually. Super efficient, isn't it?
Now we are on electric hookup, aren't we, Sue? On our pitch. We're at the Bearsted Caravan Motorhome Club site, so if there's a big bang and we end up in Hastings, you'll know something's gone wrong. Just joking, of course. So we're on the electric hookup, and
turn that down to
so this
7.
is a mains electricity hob or ring. And induction is a new technology, well, fairly new anyway.
Can't see it.
When I was at college, they'd only started using these in, because I was an electrical engineer, they'd only just started using them in industrial processes, and more recently domestic induction hobs have become the thing.
This is actually a steamer. There's two other bits of pan that go on top of here. I'll quickly show you. There's two of these that go on the top and a lid. So I thought that would make good use of the space, so we could have 3 lots of things cooking at one time on this hob, and then you've got the 2 gas going at the same time. So I'm just going to soften these.
It's a little bit bigger steamer than one we had before, because we found that when we cooked for
size, isn't it?
4 people, you needed a few more veg and things.
A bit more oil.
And we got on with the other one really well, didn't we?
Yeah. So they're going in there.
Oh, now the veg is going in.
I cheated and got it out earlier. Did the chopping.
This is frozen vegetables, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a quickie.
It's alright. So we've got this on, the induction is on 8 at the moment. Well, smelling good.
It sort of pulsates, doesn't it?
Yeah, that will pulse. If it's on full, that will stay on.
I'll put it on full. Now we've got the frozen stuff.
So it doesn't, the actual glass of the top doesn't get hot, it's the pan itself, because the induction is a magnet essentially, and a induced magnetism, and that makes heat on the pan somehow, and in turn heats up the food inside the pan. So a lot of us at home have halogen hobs, which is not quite the same. This is induction. Smelling good, babe.
Yeah, the garlic.
Oh yes, yeah, you can catch a bit of
Quite
garlic.
cheap with the frozen garlic. I usually get, you can get frozen onion as well, but I haven't bought any of that.
Yeah, and that looks like they're softening up nicely
Got to
now.
wait for those tomatoes to completely soften, and I like it to be a bit moist because otherwise the mince is a bit dry. It'll stick to the pan. Saucepan.
And the water is boiling up next door on the gas ring, and the pasta's going in there. Now knowing Sue, she's probably treated me to the gluten-free.
Yeah, gluten-free.
Gluten-free pasta.
Put it in the cupboard.
Let's go back in the cupboard. I'm going to stand back a bit.
But wait for this to soften. Shouldn't be too long. This induction hob is super fast, so I'm gonna put the mince. I've turned it down a little bit. More mince in there.
This is a bag of frozen corn mince, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's lightweight and easy to pack and freeze. So now I've got to mix it all.
That is the thing when you're in a motorhome or a caravan, you're looking for meals that you can keep, things fairly light, fairly convenient, and try and remain healthy as well, isn't it?
Yeah. So mix this all up.
Yeah,
How
you can
quick
get
it is.
a bit of a close up on that.
Induction hob is just so quick. I've turned it down actually.
You turned it down, you're on 7 now.
On 7.
Yeah.
Because I was cooking everything so quick.
Starting to look good. So how long do you do that for? Just sort of...
Usually about 10-15 minutes. Because you've just got to cook the mince through. Warm it through.
Yeah. Putting that in frozen has taken the temperature down somewhat.
And that does absorb quite a lot of the moisture.
So it's time for the sauce?
Yeah, I'll put the sauce in. And I'm just going to turn that down because I'm just going to have that simmering because we'll just be waiting for the pasta. And it needs to be...
Okay. Just fold that in, and then you're going to have it on low for a few minutes.
Yeah, have it on low. Have it ticking over on low, but it doesn't need to be very high. It cooks very, very quickly. Very efficient. It seems to be more efficient than the gas ring. You see that's
Very
not
quick,
too
I
much.
think. Yeah.
So I'm just going to leave that bubbling away. I'm going to just add the sauce, and then I'll mix it with the bolognese and with the pasta once the pasta's done.
Now, of course, Sue has got quite an audience this evening. whenever she makes nice smells in the motorhome, two little fur babies have her full attention. And back to the cooking. Go on, do what you just did.
I was pulling up my jeans. Look, £6. I got them yesterday from Marks.
Yeah,
Really
not bad, eh?
them.
Not bad.
Ah, £6.
Yeah.
And I couldn't try them on.
Yeah. You get a pair what fit next time, won't you?
It won't be long. Well, the rips don't go right the way through.
Oh, don't they?
Just on the outside.
I was going to say a little bit.
But £6, bargain.
Yeah. Good old Marks and Spencer's.
Yeah. Right,
How's this food coming on anyway? I'm getting hungry.
I'm going to add the pasta
Right.
in with that lot.
Yeah.
The only thing is I don't like draining this hot stuff straight into the sink.
No.
So I'm going to just take it out of the saucepan with this, I think.
Yeah, good idea.
Because then I'll wait for that to cool down, then I can dispose of that somewhere else.
Yeah. Well, you can put it down in the grey tank when it's cooler.
Mm.
That's just that boiling water, isn't
It's a
it?
bit sort of... I usually drain it at home. This will take longer, sorry. We've got a lot of pasta here. I hope you're hungry.
Oh yes, very hungry. Busy day.
Well, we did only have drink and cake.
Yeah, we didn't have much for lunch, did we? We just had coffee and cake, didn't we? Yeah.
I think that's all of it. See, that's not very nice. I don't like putting that down with rain.
No, okay.
I'll leave that for dishing it out, so I've just got to stir it all.
I think we're going to get some more rain in a minute. There's another big thunderstorm coming round.
I'm really pleased with the size of this saucepan.
That is good, isn't it?
Anyway, if anybody's got an induction hob, this is only about £12.50 from Amazon.
What we'll do, we'll try and put a link in the description below for this steamer set.
You can use it on gas as well.
Yeah.
That's why I bought it, because I thought I could use it on both.
Yeah. And it is a slightly larger one, so for a family I think that would be ideal.
Yeah.
And we often go camping with Sheila and Joe and other people as well, don't we?
Yeah,
so if we do a meal for four, that's... I mean...
We might have some of this for dinner tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
I've cooked rather a lot.
That's alright. I can...
Right, I'm going to put the thing up again. Give it one more stir.
So
Make
you're
sure
just going to keep folding it over.
You're not going to dish it up. You're getting the table out, aren't you?
Oh, I'll get the table out then, yep. While you're finishing that
So
off.
keep stirring it because that can heat up ever so quick.
Yeah. Yeah, I can hear it bubbling away again.
Yeah, look. You don't see nothing, lot.
Yeah. Look
How
the same as when you
strange.
started, doesn't it?
They
Weird.
don't even go red.
No, there's no red glow. Not like the other type of electric rings. Even the old-fashioned rings used to get red hot, didn't they?
That's a good size as well, because you can get this big saucepan in.
Yeah. Brilliant. Table time.
So I'm going to dish it up any minute, so I just need you to get the table out then.
Well, I've set the table and we've still got our audience. Around here. Sue's just plating up.
Yeah, I hope you're hungry.
Oh yeah, I'm hungry.
This would usually be enough for 3,
Yeah.
or maybe 4.
Yeah, we normally cook
bread.
for 3 at home, don't we, with Danny?
Yes, I think we might have enough for tomorrow's dinner as well.
Alright. We'll see how we go. Well, you've done good, Sue.
Yeah.
Already. You've got Oscar watching you eat yours.
You've got Sophie.
I've got Sophie here next to me. They ain't going to get any of this, I tell you.
In the saucepan.
And there we are, look. Sue's got a cup of
Took
tea.
me for half an hour.
And I've got my beer, or IPA. It's just started to rain.
No,
And we're all ready to eat. So, thank you very much, Sue. Well done.
You're welcome.
See you soon then.
Bye.
Bye.